today. I'm going to be trying something new, like a new meal I haven't tried before in my life. So let's see what I will be choosing. Spicy, yes. See? Guys, I'm gonna try something new. I hope I like it. Chinese palace, actually. See, I want something very spicy, guys. It's just giving me the best. Oh my god! I'm trying something new. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Guys, see what I've got? Time to eat. Guys, so it's time to try this new meal. Let's see how it goes. Let's start with the meat. Nice. Yummy. Very yummy, guys. So I'm also trying something new from here. Umami. I'm trying from Umami. You can see what they have. So I'm gonna try Japanese food. Alright? I'm gonna try Japanese food. I hope I like it. I actually like the Chinese palace food. It was quite spicy because I like spice. I like chili actually. So I hope I will like this one as well. The Japanese meals. So I'm actually going to do the rice bowl. Yummy. Hey, this is nice. Guys, this is from Umami. Okay, I'm gonna taste it. Yummy. See, you can see the smoke coming out. Very hot, very hot. Okay. From Umami. So I've tasted Japanese food today and Chinese. Yes, so I did it today, guys. I tasted Japanese and Chinese food today. So it was fun. Food day for me today, okay guys? Ciao, ciao. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, okay? More videos coming your way, guys. Ciao.
Love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want and I always give it 100. Don't need a bank, no I'm funded. Play the game.